Man, what we doing today?
It speaks for itself, bro. Speak for itself.
So I think we're going to where?
Ruin ATL. You already know what the fuck going on.
So we got the Celica, the Cobra. I'm trying to fix something. Got the Camaro.
Oh my God! Let it go in reverse.
Don't even park close to.
Shut the fuck up.
Oh my God!
Shut the fuck up. You're not even in P.
What's going on, shit, boy?
I can't hear you.
What the fuck going on? What the fuck is that?
I can't hear you.
Oh damn! Whoopsies. I'm sorry.
I can't hear you. I can't hear you over that slow ass car and that non-exhaust and that non-radio
You talking about slow car, but what's that right
and
there?
that stock ass car. My mom gave me this car.
Damn, mommy, daddy bought me my car.
No, I didn't say they bought it for him. I said they gave it for him. No, but
Look, BMW coming. You gonna have it. I say right now. 10 times tonight.
But I'm saying
What's your favorite kind of car?
BMW.
You know what it takes to get the key for your convertible in that car? You have to take all fucking rear seats out too.
Bro,
What was that? What was that? What was that?
two.
it's two.
25.
We had 10 speed up on the hill though.
No
I'm
more.
not gonna do it that much.
No more.
No, do it like Cars. Cars is so bad.
Yeah, because everyone's fucking
But you haven't fixed it at all. You
I know.
don't give a shit.
Like the
Why
first.
fix it if somebody's gonna do it again?
Got the Celica. It's a boo boo ass car. Yarbin. Oh my fucking God. Okay, well, we got the Cobra. Man, I'm not even gonna get into whatever the fuck this shit is. Shit lame as fuck. Your 16-year-old daughter might drive this. So,
I just say the word BMW.
We never said.
I will not.
You ain't gotta worry about it.
Are you? Oh, okay. Okay.
Alright.
Here's my bar. Here's my bar.
Yo, hop off the Celica. Shit nice as fuck. Fuck you laughing at? Look what you pulled up in, little bitch.
Damn.
That lame ass
The
horn.
fuck out the way.
Oh my God. Your trunk.
Sully. What the fuck?
What the fuck going on? You know we outside. What the fuck? Give me some chocolate milk.
Stay hydrated.
A little kid.
Them bitches is.
Calling my name. This shit right here? This shit right here? I'm telling you.
Unmatched.
Put a little bit like young, yeah. I bought a yours today. He painted all yellow like a bird. If I be back 2 times 2 my money, bitch, all I got. Yeah, I made money, my thought, but for that money, I love. Yeah, I'm shriving it down. Yeah, I'm causing the madness. Yeah, I'm fucking the baddest. Yeah, I buy me the Kravitz. I buy me the J-Obbies. Yeah, I never need practice. My money go double or triple. Yeah, your money subtracted. Yeah, put it up on the drinks, put it up on the cops, put it up on the swerves. Yeah, I ain't even fucking with nobody. Bitch got a crib in the bird. Yeah, this shit could've got so bad. This shit could've got in the worst. Yeah, free wide side, the chain gang bit for 12 they birds. I ran on my money the most. I'm richer than all of the nerds. Yeah, I'm flexing a bit.
the car meet so far?
Here a couple VQs. What's going on, Connor?
Bet Topanga is your favorite song.
I can
It's a lie.
Topanga. Boom, 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 we in danger.
The whole song.
Shit hard, bro.
Yeah, he can take you to Topanga. Say boom, 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 he's in danger. Yeah. That's his car here. Oh my God, that's
Look at it. It actually is. Like I said, don't give fuck. Say what you want. Unless if the vets pull up, then yeah. What's going on?
you got a big ass nose, bro. Out of everyone in this group right now, Tristan, whose ass you beating?
Look at that. 279.
He's beating your ass.
Who? Tristan?
Yeah, he said he's beating your ass.
I don't give a fuck.
That's it.
I'll just run around until he gets tired.
So you calling him fat? This right here, guys, definition of 40 hours a week.
More than 40 hours. $100 a month.
This man right here. This man right here. I think he hosts the best meets around.
Man, the myth, the legend.
Exactly.
Say I won't goose.
You won't. You literally won't.
Yep, I just got hit on 3 different cameras.
That is wild.
That's crazy.
This is the lamest person I know.
He drives a juke, but he's okay because he's the camera guy.
Hey, it's turboed, all right?
It's
At least
turbo.
it has a turbo. At least it's a manual.
It's a Nismo, isn't it?
No, it's not a Nismo.
But it's a Nismo juke.
It's a
Nismo. It's a Nismo.
Yeah.
It's a fucking Nismo juke.
Oh, it's so fast. What'd you say?
This is your whip, right?
My bad.
Hey, somebody walked up to me, bro, like these 3 people, and they was like, yo, bro, come here. He was like, you fuck with perks? I swear.
Bro, so
Swear.
Tristan, he said 3 people walked up to him and asked him if he fucks with perks.
You fuck with perks?
No,
You fuck with
I
perks?
don't fuck with drugs.
You just say a G
On the side,
was a
bro.
Porsche.
The headlights kind of look spherical.
Did you just say that G35 was a
Ovalish,
Porsche?
bro. From the side, bro. I was not looking.
Bro thought a G was a Porsche. Hey, bro, let's look.
Are you fucking dumb? No, don't hold on, bro. Me. No, don't hold on, bro. Me.
There's an explanation.
You thought a G was a Porsche.
Was it that one?
Yo, how much the fit cost?
What is he racing in that Honda Civic?
40.
Okay.
40.
Okay.
25 for the whole pack.
25 for the pack.
About
That bitch is like 40 for the pack. Oh God.
70.
70.
fucking Honda.
80. How much for the fit?
Free. Gun number 20. About 150.
What about the hat though?
About $10.
About $10?
Free gave it to me by Sully. Free again gave it to me by Sully. Underwear $25. Free. Shirt $65. You gotta get the earrings, bro. You gotta get the earrings.
Oh, you forgot mine.
$5.
I don't remember too long.
If looks could kill.
If looks could kill, baby, I'm the fashion demon.
Say something, please. Please say something. No, he wants to look. He's fighting the urge to say something about the Beamer.
That'd be hard.
Bro, it's an issue. What's up with the car?
already know what the fuck going on.
Yerk.